Guys, my part 3! What the frick, man? Boat racing part 3! Finals na daw! Yo! Kanina gumawa ako ng part 1 and part 2. Part 3 na yata! Yo! Yo, final round na daw ito! 3 rounds of videos! Ay, nako. Guys, this time we're in a better view so that kitang-kita talaga. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Yan na guys, paikot na yata sila. I can't really see it from here kasi medyo paano. Doon sila guys, I don't know if you can see it. Pero andun sila. So, andun po sila, paikot pa lang sila. Oh, balik na sila. Babalik na sila, guys. Babalik na sila. Go! Go! Let's go! Last place yung puti. Grabe, ang lapit na namin sa sa boat. Saan sila pupunta ngayon?
Ikot pa?
Iikot pa sila! It's a lock! Madaming shalo. Ayan na guys! Yan guys, may nagdikitan. Yo! Medyo malayo, I don't know if you can see, pero yung white line na nag-expand din sila. Tapos kung sasali ako sa karera, ito lang bangka namin. Literal average bumbo. Yun guys! Yun, iikat sila!
Og si Black magbas.
So, I think that's all guys. That's all for today. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Kung may isang race pa or very finale, ibibideo ko part 5 or part 4. So, that's all for today. Bye-bye guys.
Bye-bye.